Okay, Lolita. Okay. Did you learn that symbols and balances? The table? I told you to study.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And Mary, Savio, Nas Parveen, Afsana, Surya, Hadi Amin, Rifa. Switch on your cameras. Yeah. So, what is the valency of hydrogen? And Mary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
1.
Yeah, 1. Okay, what about potassium? Nirubama, potassium. Nirubama. Are you there? Hadidev, what about potassium? Valency.
40.
Valency. Just look at that table. Not atomic mass. But atomic mass of potassium is not 40. Look at that table, 3.6. We learned about valency, right? Page number 37.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
1.
Yeah, 1. Adidev, you got it?
Ma'am,
Look at
is
the
it
page.
1?
Yeah, 1. Adidev, you got it? 37. That table, 3.6. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Look at the first column, valency, 1, 2, 3. Then next column, sodium, potassium, silver. That we discussed in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. That's the valency that we need to study to write the chemical formula, okay? Okay, fine. Then Rifa,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the valency of chlorine? It's in the form of chloride in the table.
1.
Yeah, 1. Then what about magnesium? Vishnupriya, what about magnesium?
2.
2, very good. Ashik, what about
Yes, ma'am.
sulfur? It's in the form of sulfide.
Ma'am, 2.
Yeah, 2. So try to learn that table, okay? Otherwise, you can't write the chemical formula.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
For the next class, just go through that table and try to learn that.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you switching off your cameras? Nirubama, can you hear me clearly? Is there any problem with my voice? Everyone?
Ma'am, sometime it's cracking, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What about now? Now it's fine?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Nirubama, you can rejoin. Okay, fine. Then just we are going to that rules and then we are going to write the chemical formula, okay? Did you remember the rules for writing the chemical formula? Yeah, Melvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Melvin, can you read the slide once again? Just for remembering the rules. Yeah.
Ma'am, rules for writing a chemical formula.
Yeah.
Valencies or charges on the ion must balance.
Valencies or charges on the ion must balance. Okay. The next one.
When a compound consists of a metal and non-metal, the name or symbol of metal is written first.
Okay. Next one.
The compound formed with polyatomic ions. The ion is enclosed in a bracket before writing the numbers to indicate the ratio.
Yeah. There is a polyatomic ion. It should be right in a bracket. Okay. If there is only one polyatomic ion, no need of bracket. Otherwise, you should put it in a bracket. Okay. Read the last one.
In case the number of polyatomic ions is 1, the bracket is not required.
Okay, fine.
Example,
That about
NaOH.
example NaOH. In the case of this OH, it is a polyatomic ion, but there is only one polyatomic ion, so no need to put it in a bracket. Is this clear? First one, valencies or charges on the ion must balance. Okay. Then next one, when a compound consists of a metal and non-metal, the name of the symbol of metal is written first, then non-metal. Then in the case of polyatomic ions, more than one polyatomic ion, it should be written in the form of a bracket. Okay. Then are you ready to write the chemical formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then take your notebook. All of you take your notebook. I don't know why you all switch off your cameras. Arjun, Johan, Vishnu, Emil, Prajod, Meghna. Nas, Parveen, Savio, Afsana, Hadeidi. Emil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why don't you switch on your camera if there is any network problem?
Ma'am, my webcam doesn't work.
Okay, fine, okay, fine. Yeah, then we are going to write the chemical formula, okay? All of you take your notebook. Then the first one, that is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Lolita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which are the elements present in this hydrogen chloride?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Which are the elements present in hydrogen chloride?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know why? It's in the name itself.
Ma'am, hydrogen and chloride.
Yeah, hydrogen and chlorine. When we say it in the form of element, it is chlorine. And in the form of ion or compound, it is chloride. Okay. So it is hydrogen and chlorine. So write the elements. Okay. The next one, symbols. Hey, Steve. Hey, Steve, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the symbol of hydrogen?
H.
H. What about chlorine? What about chlorine?
Cl.
Yeah, Cl. Okay, fine.
Here, ma'am.
Then we are going to write the valency, okay? Valency. Rose,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the valency of hydrogen?
1.
Yeah, 1. What about chlorine, Vishnupriya?
1.
Yeah, 1. Then we are going to cross over these valencies, okay? Then we are going to cross over these valencies like this. we are exchanging this valencies. Therefore, the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride, therefore the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride, that is H, here it is 1. So H1, then Cl also 1. Cl 1. If 1 is obtained, no need to represent it in the form of a chemical formula. It becomes HCl.
Ma'am, HCl.
Yeah, HCl. That's the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride. Clear? In the first step, we need to write which are the elements present in that compound. Okay? Then the second step, we write the symbols of that constituent elements. Then we write the valencies. Then in the next step, we just cross over these valencies or exchange these valencies. Then we write it in the form of a chemical formula by write this exchanged valency on the bottom of that symbol. If 1 is present, no need to represent it in the form of a chemical formula. That's why HCl. Clear? Is this clear for you? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Not only Ashik. Only Ashik is responding. What about others? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then, look here. Formulae of simple compounds. Now we are writing the formulae of simple compounds. Okay. The simplest compounds which are made up of, just wait. Yeah. The simplest compounds which are made up of 2 different elements. Okay. 2 different elements. They are called binary compounds. 2 different elements. They are called binary compounds. Example, HCl that we write now. Okay. 2 made up of 2 different elements. They are binary compounds, simplest compound. Then while writing the chemical formula for compounds, we write the constituent elements and their valencies. Okay. While writing the chemical formula for compounds, we write the constituent elements and their valencies. Then we must cross over this valency of combining atoms. Then we cross over the valencies of combining atoms. Clear? Arjun? Can you read this slide?
Formula of simple compounds.
Okay.
The simplest compounds which are made up of 2 different elements are called binary compounds. While writing the chemical formula of compounds, we write the constituent elements and their valencies.
Okay.
Then we must cross over the valency is of the combining atoms.
Yeah. We must cross over the valency of combining atoms. Then we are going to do the next example. Okay. Is this clear? The steps are clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then we are going to do the next one. Second one, hydrogen sulfide. Aditya Nair.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which are the elements present in this hydrogen sulfide?
Hydrogen and sulfur.
Yeah, hydrogen and sulfur. John Samuel,
Yes, ma'am.
which are the symbols or what's the symbol of hydrogen and sulfur?
H.
Yeah, H for hydrogen, then sulfur.
And for sulfur.
Yeah, sulfur.
Ma'am, S.
Yeah, S. Okay. Then what's the next step? Rizwan, what's the next step? Rizwan, can you hear me? No? Prajot? Prajot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the next step? We write the elements, then the... Just wait. Okay, fine. Okay, tell me, what's the next step? Are you there?
Ma'am, valency.
Yeah, next one, valency. So what about the valency of hydrogen higher? Higher. What about the valency of hydrogen?
1, ma'am.
Yeah, 1.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah, Ashik?
ma'am, 1, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then next one, Hadi Amin. Hadi Amin. Can you hear me? Nas Parveen. Aman.
Ma'am,
Zach.
sulfur valency 2, ma'am.
Yeah, but why these cameras are off and not responding? Yeah, the valency of sulfur, that is 2. Then the next step, cross over the valencies, right? We are going to cross
Yes,
over
ma'am.
their valencies and the chemical formula become H and
2s.
yeah,
Two.
H2S1. No need to represent 1, so it becomes H2S. The chemical formula of which compound?
Hydrogen sulfate.
Yeah, hydrogen sulfide, it is H2S. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then I will show you one more example. That is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Is Sarah in your class? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, carbon tetrachloride. Which are the elements present in carbon tetrachloride, Savio?
Ma'am, carbon,
Yeah, carbon. The next one?
chloride,
Chlorine. Okay. In the form of element, it is chlorine. And in the form of ion or compound, it is chloride. And what's the symbol of carbon and chlorine, Hadeidi?
Ma'am,
Hadeidi.
carbon C.
Yeah, carbon C. And what about chlorine?
Cl.
Cl. Then Meghna. Meghna.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the valency of carbon?
1.
1. How will you obtain that? 1. I think the valency of carbon is not in your periodic table, not in that table. Sorry, not periodic table, not in that table, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no carbon. So
Four.
try to write there. Okay, carbon, its valency is 4. Just write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
below that table carbon, its valency is 4. It's needed for other compounds, okay? So carbon, it is 4. And what about chlorine? What about chlorine?
1, ma'am.
Yeah, 1. Then we are going to exchange this valencies, okay? Exchange this valencies. Then therefore the chemical formula becomes C1, right? Then Cl
4.
4.
4.
No need to represent 1. Therefore it becomes,
CCl4.
yeah, very good, CCl4. And CCl4, it is the chemical formula of which compound?
Ma'am, carbon ter.
Yeah, carbon tetrachloride.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear? Try
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
okay, wait. Try to write the both C's are in capital letters, okay? L, small letter, then 4. Like this. Who is the Sarah Roofing? Okay, fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then try
Yes, ma'am.
try to write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Everyone, try to write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. First write the constituent elements, then write the symbols, then their valency, then cross over the valencies. Okay. Whose audio is unmuted? Prajot or Aman? Yeah, Aman. Prajot, please mute your video. Sorry, audio. Finish?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, fine. Take your own time. And Mary Rifa finished? Yeah?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, what about others? Rose finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Adidev finished? Arjun?
Ma'am.
Arjun?
Writing.
Okay, fine. Yes, Savio. Arifa, okay. Can you send me your answers?
Ma'am, can we say, ma'am?
Wait. Please send. Please do message. Okay, Vishnu Priya, okay. Yeah, Nirubama. And Mary. Fia. Anjida. I think everyone finished, right? Yeah, Aditya. Rose. Okay. Any doubt? Anyone? No? Okay. Okay, Ashik. Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, from the first step onwards. Which are the elements present?
Ma'am, elements are magnesium and chlorine.
Yeah, magnesium and chlorine. Then what about the symbols?
Mg and Cl.
Yeah, Mg and Cl. The next one, valency.
Valency of magnesium 2 plus.
2. Okay. Then Cl,
And chlorine 1 minus.
1. Okay. Always we write valency,
Yes, ma'am.
valency in the last example, right? Here we are using charge. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Charge. That's why that 2 plus and 1 minus. Okay. Because
Yes, ma'am.
it is a it can be in the form of ions. Okay. Here a metal
ma'am.
and a non-metal. So they exist as charged species, right? So here is it is a cation and anion. That's why we write this charge. Or either you write valency, it's okay. Then the next step, Ashik.
Chemical formula.
Before
then we
that,
have to
before that,
crossover.
yeah, crossover. Crossover this valencies and it becomes
MgCl2.
yeah, Mg1Cl2 and it is MgCl2. And no need to represent this charges in the chemical formula, okay?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
write this charge, but when we write the chemical formula, no need of these charges. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. In this way, we are writing the chemical formula, okay? So, if you have textbook, wait. Rifa, do you have textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read this? Page number 38. Page
Yes,
number 38. After this formula of carbon tetrachloride, starting from 4 magnesium chloride.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Formula of magnesium chloride.
Before that, 4 magnesium chloride. Just above
Yes,
that,
yes.
yeah.
For magnesium chloride, we write the symbol of cation, Mg2, first followed by the symbol of anion, Cl1.
Cl minus, Mg2 plus and Cl minus. Okay. Okay,
Cl
fine.
minus. Then their charges are crisscrossed to get the formula.
Okay. Then skip that formula, then read the remaining.
Thus, in magnesium chloride, there are 2 chloride ions,
Okay.
Cl minus for each magnesium ion, Mg2. The positive and negative charges must balance each other and the overall structure must be neutral. Note that in the formula, the charges on the ions are not indicated.
Okay, clear. Charges on the ions are not indicated in the chemical formula. Okay. We write
ma'am.
these charges for those compounds consist of metal and non-metal or exist in the form of ions. Okay. Then which is the cation in this magnesium chloride? Hadiamine. Hadiamine. Which is the cation in this magnesium chloride?
Magnesium.
Yeah, magnesium. Mg2 plus. Okay. It's in the form of iron. So you need to say it in the form of that ion. Okay. Mg2 plus. Okay, clear. Then what about the anion, Anjita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the anion present in magnesium chloride. Yeah. Yeah, chloride, Cl minus, right? Okay, so we learned how to write the chemical formula. Anyone? Okay, wait. Badra? Can you tell me which are the steps that we need to write a chemical formula?
First, write the chemical formula of that.
Which are the constituent elements, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which are the constituent elements. Then second step?
Then symbol.
Yeah, symbols. Then third step?
Then valency.
Yeah, valency. Then fourth step?
Crossover the valency.
Yeah, cross over the valency. Then next one?
Then write.
Yeah, write the chemical formula according to the crossover valencies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear for everyone to write the chemical
Yes,
formula?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we can continue this in the next class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Before that class, just try to learn that valencies and symbols. That's needed to write the chemical formula. Okay? Okay, let me take your attendance. Adil Muhammad. Adil? No. Aditya Nair?
Present.
Aditya is Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Afsana? No. Aman? Aman.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Anjida?
Present.
And Mary? And Mary? Okay, okay. Arjun?
Present.
Ashik?
Present, ma'am.
Badra?
Present, ma'am.
Emil?
Present, ma'am.
Pia?
Present, ma'am.
Hadeidi Rizia?
Present, ma'am.
Hadi Amin?
Present, ma'am.
Haya Fatima?
Present, ma'am.
Kane Steve?
Present, ma'am.
Johan?
Present, ma'am.
John Samuel?
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Rizwan? Yeah, Rizwan is present. Yeah, yeah. Lolita? Lolita. Lolita was told. Okay, Meghna?
Present, ma'am.
Melvin?
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Aman? Aman? Muhammad Aman absent. Okay, now Parveen?
Present, ma'am.
Nirubama?
Present, ma'am.
Nisia? Absent. Kisurya?
Present, ma'am.
Adidev?
Present, ma'am.
Prajot? Pratyush? Rifa?
Present, ma'am.
Rose?
Present, ma'am.
Sainaba? Sainaba? Savio?
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Vishnu Priya?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So try to learn that valency table, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And the symbols. Then we can do more examples in the next class. Okay? Thank you all. See you next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.